Okay guys, it's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. A lot of you guys already know that I work on all of your convertible top models between 1997 and 2016. But did I ever tell you what I do with the proceeds from all of the repairs that I've done over the years? Well, I'm going to tell you. I have created a nonprofit healthcare school called Tomorrow's Healthcare Professionals. It's located here in Atlanta, Georgia, and that school is specifically designed to help an underserved population here in Atlanta. I plan to open 5 to 7 more locations over the next 2 to 3 years, so with your help, I can make that happen. So, if you get a better price from a dealership in your local area and you can prove it, give me a call. I guarantee you that I can beat their price by either giving you a better warranty or a better price. So pick up the phone and give me a call. My phone number hasn't changed. It's still the same. 888-317-9340. Again, 888-317-9340. And as far as the school, the website is startanewhealthcarecareer.com. Take a look for yourself. Thank you.